Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at two security locks from Purple Line, so stay tuned. So a couple of years ago I purchased the Nemesis Ultra wheel lock and I did a review on it, and it's had quite a few views now, but it is a really good piece of kit and we use it every time we go away in the caravan, and we use it at the storage yard as well. Now as a result of that, I was contacted by Purple Line and they asked me if I wouldn't mind having a look at some more locks. So today we're going to be looking at the Excalibur, which is a wheel lock, and we're also going to be looking at the Saracen hitch lock. So let's see what we get inside the boxes. So here we have the Saracen hitch lock by Purple Line. Now this one also has a 5-year warranty and it's also insurance approved. Now some insurance companies do give quite a generous discount with this product, and it is telling me on the box that it will fit the AK-130, the AK-160, the AKS 1300, the AKS 2004, and also the AKS 3004. So let's get it out to the packaging and see what we get. So let's take a look at the Saracen Ultra. First of all, we get a set of keys, and there are 3 security keys. We get the hitch fitment, which fits inside the hitch itself. We get a dust cover, which protects the lock. We get the lock itself, which is attached to a reinforced steel bar. We get the bottom plate of the hitch lock, and we get the top plate of the hitch lock. So let's take a look outside and how we fit this lock. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to fit the Saracen hitch lock. So first of all, we're going to take the plastic stopper and we're going to fit that inside the hitch itself and push down. So that's now locked inside. We're going to take the top plate of the cover, and as you can see there is a ridge and a hollow, so we're going to slip that underneath the handle. Now as you can see, this fits snugly for this, but this is the one for this particular hitch. We're then going to take the bottom plate, we're going to fit that over the top, like so. Fit the bolt through. Like that. Take the lock itself, fit it in, twist, and it's done. Not forgetting to put the dust cover over the top. So that is to fit the Saracen Ultra lock. So here is the Excalibur. Now it comes in this nylon orange bag, which most Purple Line products do. It has a 5-year warranty and it's insurance approved. Now what I like about this lock is the fact that you don't need to jack up the wheel or align the wheels in order to fit it. It's very straightforward and it's very easy. So let's have a look what we get inside the box, and then I'll show you how we fit it. So having opened the box now, we can see we have the instructions, which also recommends that you register your product with Purple Line to get your 5-year warranty. It has 3 security keys. It has the main plate and lock, which also has a foam pad so it won't damage your alloy wheels or scratch the steel ones. It has its own tool in order to fit it. It has spacers. It has the screw thread itself in order to fit into the lock. and it has, when I can get it out, the main clamp as well. Okay, so we've come to fit the lock now. Now what I've discovered is, because of the type of alloy wheel I've got, I need the 10mm spacer, which quite simply just screws on to the thread. Now yours, you might find you might not need one, or you might find that you might need one of the others, but it just shows how adaptable this kit is. So what we do now is we place this bar behind the wheel, like so. We take the receiver, and we thread that in. Like so. Then simply taking the main plate and lock, we're going to fit that over, turn, and now the lock is locked. Well everyone, that was 2 security products from Purple Line. We had the Excalibur wheel lock, and we also had the Saracen hitch lock. Let's just quickly talk about the hitch lock first. Now, I was very impressed. It was very quick to fit. It's very strong and very durable. I like the fact that it's got the 5-year warranty, and it also comes with 3 keys. I also like the fact that you've got the dust cover that protects it. Now, they do a range of hitch locks for varying kinds of hitches. So if you're interested in this product, I would recommend that you click the link below and have a look on the website to find the one that suits your caravan. Now, the Excalibur is a brilliant piece of kit. Especially if you've got steel wheels, this is probably ideal for you. I thought it was very quick. It's a little fiddly at first to put on, but once you get the hang of it, it goes on very quickly, and it is secure. I like the 5-year warranty on this as well, and the 3 keys. So all in all, I'm pretty impressed with these 2 products. I like also the fact that both of them are actually recommended by some insurance companies, and they can save you some discount on your insurance premium. So just before I go, I just want to announce a little competition. Purple Line have kindly offered to supply to one lucky winner a Nemesis Ultra wheel lock. Now, Purple Line don't just make these products for your caravan security, they also make motor movers. So what they're asking you to do is head on over to their website and answer this simple question. How many motor movers do Purple Line currently supply and design? So to enter, all you have to do is email the answer to lwccompetitions@gmail.com. Now, please don't put your answers in the comments below. I'd appreciate it. It gives everybody else a fair chance at the competition, and it is a fabulous prize. I'd like to thank Purple Line for supporting this video, and also I'd like to thank yourselves for watching. But in the meantime, bye for now, and good luck.